Hi there, this is Eden from the Road to Retirement channel. If you are new here, welcome dito sa channel ko kung saan pinag-uusapan natin kung paano magkaroon ng pondo para masaya ang pagre-retiro. Ito ay ang pangatlong episode ng ating series entitled Financial Literacy for Adulting Pinoys, brought to you by the Road to Retirement channel. So parang ang layo from Adulting Pinoys to the Road to Retirement. Pero ang totoo niyan, financial literacy ang simula para sa mga taong on the road to retirement. So here we are. Today, ang i-discuss natin ay ang making money or paano kumita ng pera. Ang pera ay kailangan natin para sa pang-araw-araw at panghabang buhay ng mga needs and wants. Importante ang pera para makamtan ang ating bithiin makarating sa road to retirement. So pag-uusapan natin, how to make money. Tara, let's hit the road. This mini-series entitled Financial Literacy 101 for Adulting Pinoys will tackle different subjects. Check out episode 1 to have a full overview of the subjects covered. Etong episode na ito ay tungkol naman sa paghahanap ng pera. Para kasi sa karamihan sa atin, magkakapera tayo galing sa ating career or trabaho. From our high school or college days, nag-aaral tayo sa ating specialty para magamit natin sa ating pagtatrabaho. So kung ganun pala, maganda na pag-aaralan at pag-iisipan natin kung paano natin ma-maximize ang ating earning potential o kakayahang kumita. Paano ma-maximize ang kakayahang kumita? First, know yourself. Saan ka magaling sa mga subjects mo? Anong mga activities ang madali para sa iyong gawin? At angat yung galing mo sa iba? Anong talents and skills ang meron ka o gusto mong i-develop? So first, know yourself and take stock of your talents, skills, and abilities. Then tingnan mo ngayon ang employment market. Ano ang mga jobs na available? Then, check mo saan mag-match ang skills mo dun sa requirement nila. So second, check the job market and match your skills, talents, and abilities with available opportunities. Doon ka ngayon mag-apply with your resume and application letter. Consider 3 to 4 companies. So third step, apply for positions in companies that match you. Then once tinawagan ka for an interview, prepare for that interview. Pag nag-match kasi ang talents and galing mo dun sa employment or work opportunities, madali kang makahanap ng work. So 4, pursue that job passionately by preparing for the interview. If hindi ka naging successful, pwede kang mag-add ng more training or check other opportunities na pwede. And this is the 5th step. Kumbaga, retool and retrain to suit the market. Now, when you get that interview, here is what you must do. I-research mo ang company na gusto mong pasukan. Alamin ang mga important details like anong products ang binibenta nila, anong mga services ang ino-offer, sinong clients and customers nila. May mga usual questions na pwede mong paghandaang sagutin. It can be quite simple like tell us about yourself or complex like tell us of a time when you failed in a project. Mag-isip ng possible questions at subukang sagutin ito sa harap ng salamin. Maganda din na mag-prepare ka ng questions that you would like to know about a company. Interviewing is a two-way street and it's your chance to know about a company just like kinikilala ka rin nila. So you'll know if you are a good fit for one another. Dress the part. Huwag mag-shorts, sando, or slippers unless resort lifeguard ang ina-applyan mo. Maging sincere, honest, and respectful. Huwag naman yung panay ang tingin sa cellphone habang ini-interview. Look at your interviewer in the eye. Follow up on your interview result. Send an email or call to show them of your interest. Swerte mo if you'll do this one time lang at nagka-work ka kaagad. Mas malamang ilang beses mo ito ulit-ulitin, so tibayan mo ang sarili at huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Before we continue, may request sana ako. Kung hindi pa kayo subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and yung notification bell. That way, makikita din tayo ng marami pang iba. At hopefully, matutulungan din natin sila. Salamat, now tuloy tayo. Making money also means gagastos ka. Una na nito yung damit or uniform na kailangang suotin sa work. Next, andyan pa yung lunch money or baon at ang pamasahe para makarating sa work. So, isama mo na ito sa pag-consider ng incoming net pay mo. When deciding kung alin ang kukuhanin na work, wow, pinalad ka at nagkaroon pa ng choices kung saan mag-join. Try to consider the benefits offered by your potential employer, which also adds up to your total compensation. Ano-ano ba itong mga benefits? Company matches to your retirement savings on top of the SSS, health cards at HMO, group life and disability insurance, paid leaves, vacations, parental leaves, employee assistance programs, employee discounts, employee health benefits, stock purchase plans, tuition fee assistance. If you add all the monetary value of these benefits, aabot din ito ng up to 50% ng salary mo. So check mo rin ito when making the decision to join a company or leave a company. So ayan ang ating episode on making money. The key takeaway dito, you make money out of your career and you better make it the most of what you can. Remember, we each all have 24 hours in a day and time is a resource which we exchange for money when we go into employment. So mas maganda kung maxed out yung nakukuha mong pera in return for your time. And para mangyari ito, that means all of your skills, talents, and abilities are put to good use. Thus, your earning potential is maximized. This has been the third episode of the Financial Literacy for Adulting Pinoys. Huwag niyong kalimutan na i-share ito with your friends and family, especially to those na tingin ninyo makakabuti sa kanila. Also, you may want to check these other videos as well. That's all for now. Bye!